Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. This is one of our 5x10s that we have in stock. You guys can view all of our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. Now this one is, again, our 5x10, does have our thicker aluminum skin on it, and these are meant to be true multi-use off-road trailers. They give you guys about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. You don't have a big giant axle tube that runs down underneath that defeats the purpose. And they're insulated windows, power, AC, a lot of goodies on them so you guys can get more use than just a standard cargo trailer. Now we use a thicker aluminum skin on our off-road trailer, so you've got a nice thick exterior matte gray with the Blackout package. And then this has got our standard Colorado setup on it, other than it doesn't have that generator box and platform like the trailer next to it. This is going to be great if you guys want to do a build out and add propane to it after the fact, or if you want to do a nice big toolbox or something on there. It gives you some options. But it still does have the side swivel jack, removable front coupler, and like I said, all the other features that our trailers typically do. This one's stock number 15975. You do have the extra tall diamond plate, and that little box right there that you guys see on the front is actually a twist lock plug, so it is generator ready. You can plug into a campground, an extension cord, or again, use a generator, and that will bring power into the trailer for you. We do recommend a 3000 watt or larger for that. Does have an extra party light on it as well, so you've got light on 3 sides of this trailer, which is awesome. You've got light there, plus you've got rear load lights, and you've got a party light on this side of the trailer as well. Exterior step right there, because these trailers are tall, you need it to get in and out easily. And then you can see RV lock and cam bar, so you've got 2 locks there on that side door, exterior GFI outlet, and then you do have the roof rack and ladder with this unit as well. 3,500 pound torsion axle, 32-inch mud terrain tire, and you have stabilizer jacks underneath the back here, so it's super handy with single axles. When you want to drop from your vehicle, you can put those down and have that extra stability. Now this is equipped with a rear ramp door, which is a bonus if you guys are going to use this for dirt bikes, that sort of a thing. And then it does have the rear deck option on it, so you've got that additional living space. And then there are your load lights off of the back. Now all these exterior lights that we just looked at, both your side party lights and your rear load light, run off of this battery. So this battery is a super cool feature because it runs, again, interior and exterior lights. It runs your 4 little puck lights in here as well. And that means you don't have to be plugged into a vehicle, or you don't have to be plugged into your generator to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. It is insulated, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. You've got a Maxx Air roof vent, 2 of our bigger windows. These are a tinted lockable window for you guys. Performance Nudo floor. You've got 4 D-rings in here as well, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And then AC unit with heat strips, so you do have some climate control. Here's your 30 amp breaker box right here, and you guys can see interior outlets. We'll pop inside here so you guys can see. 2 outlets there. Then you've got another 2 outlets on this wall. 3-year factory warranty with this trailer as well. I believe it weighs about 2,000 pounds. And you guys can always reach us at 303-688-8485. Best place to reach us nowadays is by email. Please email us at sales@getmytrailer.com. And we ship, so if you guys don't live in Colorado or near us, all good. We can get you a shipping quote and get one of these delivered to your door. So here it is again, 303-688-8485, sales@getmytrailer.com. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe, and always have a great day.